Avatar has been the biggest hit of our times, a complete revolution in cinema. And filmmaker Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra released the Blu-ray DVD of Avatar in Mumbai. There was a special message by director James Cameron and producer John Lando on the occasion. So let's hear it on.
Today we find ourselves facing the greatest challenge of our time, saving our natural world from ourselves.
Climate change, deforestation, the destruction of ocean habitat. All of these things weaken our economy, reduce our national security, and threaten the future of children and all generations to come.
With the 40th anniversary of Earth Day quickly approaching, the time has come to stand up and be warriors for the Earth.
Avatar takes place on a distant world, but it's really about the miracle planet we have right here. The story is about people coming together and rising up to protect their natural environment. We have to do the same thing.
20th Century Fox Home Entertainment has partnered with the Earth Day Network to take a stand and do their part by pledging to plant 1 million trees by the end of this year in honor of the Avatar Blu-ray and DVD release.
This is just one way that we are making a difference, and your actions can have an impact as well.
Take action to learn more about the Avatar Home Tree Initiative, where we're going to plant 1 million trees by the end of this year.
Join millions in the fight against climate change on Earth Day, April 22nd.
You have a voice. You have ideas that will create change. Use your voice. Be heard. Take action for Earth Day.
Planting 1 million plants. Now that's a great initiative. Avatar is now dubbed in Hindi, Tamil and Telugu so that it can be viewed by wider audiences. Many Bollywood filmmakers are jumping on the 3D bandwagon. Pooja Bhatt has plans to make Jism 2 in 3D, while Ramu wants to make a horror film using 3D technique. So we asked Rakesh if he plans one too.
3D जो है वो इसलिए नहीं बनाई जाती कि कोई शौक है 3D फिल्म बनाने का, वो सब्जेक्ट पे डिपेंड करता है और अगर सब्जेक्ट ऐसा लगता है कि 3D की तकनीक का इस्तेमाल करके ये कहानी और अच्छी तरह बोली जा सकती है तो फिर ये एक टूल है, एक टेक्नोलॉजी है, तो तभी इसका इस्तेमाल होता है.
That's the right approach, Rakesh. But what about your plans to use 3D for your forthcoming movie, Panch Kaurav?
Panch Kaurav, the script is done and now it's gone into soft production, which is now it's a huge film. It's a very heavily dependent on VFX. It might be a 3D film, depending on whether we can afford and whether the infrastructure of the country can support a 3D film. Like Mr. Kapasi was saying earlier, that out of 765 theatres, only 65 theatres played a 3D version for Avatar, and 700 was still playing a 2D version. And that's the beauty of this film, that it's shot in a way that you don't miss 3D if you see it in 2D on a flat screen. And in fact, I saw it on a flat screen, then I saw it on 3D, then I went back to see it on a flat screen, and this was all abroad before coming to India. And I personally enjoyed the flat screen version much more.
So there may be 3D effects in Rakesh's Panch Kaurav. Getting back to Avatar, now we all know the title is an Indian one. And now that Cameron did seek inspiration from India for the movie, we asked Rakesh more about it.
ये film global issues को तो लेती है, the degeneration of Earth by the hands of human beings, वो तो है ही. But it has also borrowed from the Indian mythology. It's also borrowed the coexistence of man and nature. तो ये तो और भी अपनी फिल्म होती है, क्योंकि अब जेम्स कैमरन ने खुद बोला है कि वो उनकी जो इंस्पिरेशन आई थी यहीं से, इसी लैंड से आई थी इस फिल्म के लिए. तो हमारे लिए तो और भी गर्व की बात है कि ऐसे ऐसे आइडियाज़ अगर जन्म ले सकते हैं इस लैंड से. देखने वाली बात है कि कितने सब्जेक्ट्स यहाँ से जन्म ले सकते हैं, और कितनी अच्छी बात है कि इतनी महत्वपूर्ण फिल्म का जो बीज है वो कहीं से अंकुर जो है यहाँ से फूटा है.
Absolutely. It's something to be proud of. Now next, we asked Rakesh about his next film based on the life of athlete Milkha Singh, who won a gold medal in 1958 Commonwealth Games.
It's a very inspiring subject, Milkha Singh. I have been a keen sportsman myself, I've grown up as a sportsman. So I guess my day in and day out and spending time in National Stadium in Delhi and listening to the folklore of Milkha Singh was somewhere embedded in my subconscious. So that kind of remained with me. So I always try and do subjects which are inside out, which I have experienced myself in life, in whatever, whether they have been a part of my life in some way or the other. So I had always felt, and I also feel that in today's day and age it's a very relevant story because it's such a inspiration for a person who, against all odds, a person who had lost his family, a person who has had at a very young age and lost his entire village and lost his home and lost everything in the world in the ethnic violence and the division of India, went on to break the world record and went on to create history in athletics, and which is so inspiring because in today's day and age the youth is in an extremely competitive situation today.
Wow, that will be a true inspiring movie. And guess what, guys? Milkha Singh has given Rakesh the permission and just charge 1 rupee for the agreement. Don't believe me? Then hear it from Rakesh.
कितनी अच्छी बिगनिंग है, मतलब शुरू से फिल्म चारों तरफ से पैशन झलकता है सबका, बनाने वाले का, जिसकी लाइफ है उसका, कि वैसे भी मैं जो भी करता हूँ मैं मनी इज़ नॉट द सोल एम, वो फॉलो करता है बाद में. तो इसमें भी द कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल अमाउंट वाज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. उनको बहुत बड़े बड़े ऑफ़र आ रहे थे, उनको करोड़ों के ऑफ़र आए थे, लोग उनके घर चेक्स लेके पहुंच गए थे, ब्लैंक चेक्स, बट फिर भी उन्होंने सिर्फ 1 रुपया लिया. ये उनका बड़ापन है और ये दिखाता है कि वो भी चाहते हैं, और कि जब उन्होंने ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डाली है मेरे शोल्डर्स पे तो अब और भी बढ़ जाती है. ये सिर्फ पैसे की बात नहीं.
Great responsibility for sure, Rakesh. But we are sure that you will do a great job.